Today we're unboxing the PetCube GPS tracker, which we've got right here. So I've got one little dog that loves to chase squirrels. So this is the perfect thing for him when we're on a walk in someplace unfamiliar. And then you can actually track where they're at with your phone in case they get lost. So let's see, how do we open this thing up? It looks like we're just gonna pry it apart, and then that will get us to the GPS tracker inside here. So this works with a cellular signal to be able to track your pet. So you charge this thing up. You can see here's what we've got. This is the physical tracker from PetCube. And you could put this on a cat, on a dog, and then there is a charging cable right in here. And so this is just gonna go on their collar. You can see they've got it right here, just some loops that you can put on their collar so it can slide right on. You activate this once you charge it up. So you've got the provided charging dock right here. And then there at the top is just where you're going to charge. Like so, you take this little cover off and then you can charge. So right here, you've got your charging port, just like so. And then you're gonna be able to track your pet when you're on walks or you're on vacation, or just even in the yard if they have a tendency to get loose. What I like this most for is because Diego will go chase a squirrel or end up in bushes and stuff like that, or on vacation might chase something, is to take this with me when I'm on vacation, and or if we're going on a hike or in some place unfamiliar where he might just get sidetracked. So then you can track him, and there's a whole app on your phone that allows you to track where your dog is at, because this does work with a cellular chip and signal. That's what the GPS is inside of there. And then you're gonna be able to find your dog and never lose them. So no one ever wants to lose their dog. That's super sad. And your pet also doesn't want to be lost as well. So something like this is a great option. Now it does require a subscription, but the subscription is pretty reasonable. So just something to consider if you're looking at this. But overall, nice device, very robust, and then very easy to charge, as well as you're going to be able to track your pet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.